Our $75,000 garage is nearly finished, but in the meantime I promised a car and inside tour. First, let's start off with our sitting area. We have a shitty couch, a dodgy box, and of course a fridge. Underneath is all my products for all cleaning and polishing. I think it's a pretty good amount, and personally Autoglim has always been our favourite. Please sponsor us. Next is my Harry Potter trolley cart with all microfiber cloths, towels and soap. We personally really like using these extremely thin, soft brushes for cleaning the exterior. We of course have the pressure washer, we also have a hoover and this carpet cleaner. Now to the important part of the first car, my dad's Porsche 981 Boxster S with a dark blue metallic paint, 20-inch 5-spoke rims, side air vents and of course this really sick centre exhaust. Here is a close-up of the silver rims with of course the red Porsche brake calipers. Because it is mid-engined, it has what you call a frunk, and a very sexy front end in my opinion. Of course it has an automatic roof that you can use from the key. This will break one day. He has a pretty generic but good looking black leather interior with a nice Boxster S badge everywhere on doors. And here's a cold start from this magnificent 3.6 litre flat 6. Of course it's a manual, best gearbox in a car like this. Now prepare your ears for this music. It has a beautiful tone and a deep growl. Now this car has 97,000 kilometers but has a perfect service history in what was the most posh car dealership we had ever seen. It also has these nice side air vents which the 911 doesn't have for some reason. We've protected the radiators ourselves with this mesh. We've also done the same to the front. Here's the other side of the interior where I mostly sit. Of course you can also close the roof with the key. Now on to my favourite, the legendary BMW E39 M5 with this incredible 4.9 litre V8 which is extremely complicated, but I've just redone this engine bay, not looking too bad in my opinion. Here is the front with the bonnet closed, beautiful looking. Now going round, it has this pretty common but light grey paint and the best wheels of all time. Cannot change my opinion on this. Let me know in the comments if you think there's a better one that exists. Towards the back, this beautiful rear end with of course the quad exhausts looking menacing. Now the interior is even better, it has a mix of normal leather and ostrich leather. M5 badges everywhere, it's just so simple but beautiful. The front has a very nice gear lever and light up dash to let you know when the car is warm, which I think every car should have. Everything inside is stock, might need a little updating but I love it that it's never been touched. And just look at this dash, ready? Just the best sounding car here, I think. The only thing we have changed in this is the Bluetooth module we installed from this guy in America. And my daily and baby really, my 3.2 VR6 Audi TT Mk2. Once again I've completely cleaned the engine bay, as I think it is a great touch to the entire car. It has 18-inch GT3 RS bronze wheels with upgraded discs, pad and front calipers. Now on the camera you can't really tell, but it has a very nice grey / petrol green paint and a brilliant Scorpion catback exhaust which you will hear in just a second. I also think the quad exhaust make it look so much more serious than the single Miltech one. The interior in this is very lovely, green extended leather with a few damages to the seats unfortunately. This car is also E85 converted with an upgraded fuel line and a TTRS fuel pump, a very personal and good tune with a stage 1 with very light pops. This one is an early DSG, not perfect, but at least I know the engine has been redlined in this in the past. Listen to this clean rattle tone. sounds unique in every way. It's equipped with both speakers that sound incredible as well, and the CarPlay that is connected to my Haldex controller in the back. If you zoom in, you get the engine and coolant temperatures, and also various other information. The parking and brake light, all the different modes you can set the Haldex up to. And that's my daily car done. As a quick mention, we have my first car, a 2-litre TDI 180 horsepower, which is damaged on the side, not my fault, and the sunroof seal which has been destroyed. We are trying our best to repair it, but we don't really know what we are doing, and any help would be greatly appreciated. It has this beautiful but dirty Alcantara interior, and a very dusty engine bay. Here is the sunroof I was talking about, a real bastard to deal with. And now onto the LED lights we fitted that I mentioned in the last video. It gives a real showroom feel to the place. We are just waiting for some support plates for this car lift because the concrete isn't deep enough. And of course, all the tools 2 car guys need. And that's about it for our garage tour. Real soon we will be finishing the car ramp so we can finally fix and service our cars properly. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.